Ye mimi wo tumi an kamesi san pa ne ningo prampram we ne fenze on the soko LGBTQ dede oye wo position no be pe munde ya paase ye maba wa ne ye nkola yi na toba ha me de amembo mimi hu so ebisa hwese ne ala paasa ye sensa mampom obi anko ma wo ye te la paasa ye se ne ye hu no na ka ye ba ye
abusuafo mamu nyina makwaba e de ba Ghana Nsem TV so but one more this be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn notifications so be next time videos of this nature ba also sabet makabi say the munim dan e from Mr President from Mr President and just the amount na ye din komo sa na abusua assembly chairman kakra Yewa Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia the next president of the Republic of Ghana a clash with Asudin Katia Yinya except NDC krama ni bia omo manso omo njene gede beto from bi omo katra befa decided to say they will come after his excellency Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. But let me tell you, our communication lord has issued a very profound and well stated statement. If you try to go after Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, he will come after you. As simple as that. You people are so much of hypocrisy. You people are full of hypocrisy and empty-headedness. Hypocrisy. And they Bonnie Pana Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Bono ye say, Yinche Cocoa Kiafoka. No, you took the chess platform to announce to the world that cocoa farmers are struggling. Now, me patch politics and starting fresh sorry. Starting fresh sorry then. It's edited Dr. Bawumia Bejina also. No, but make a statement. When I said vote for NPP, he made a statement of issues that we are facing as a country, and you have these people, these dogs, coming out to attack him. It doesn't make sense. Yes, and just I can't say Mama did in attempt. The mass was from Koto, he will come after you this time around. As simple as that. Simplicity. Nabushana, your communication lord, some miracle Sabajakasa. The statement is very simple. Stop the hypocrisy. Abusa wouldn't even want to waste your time. Yanko the communication lord, Ediatuja.
Ye mimi wo tumi an kamesi san pa ne ningo prampram we ne fenze on the soko LGBTQ dede oye wo position no be pe munde ya paase ye maba wa ne ye nkola yi na toba ha me de amembo mimi hu so ebisa hwese ne ala paasa ye sensa mampom obi anko ma wo ye te la paasa ye se ne ye hu no na ka ye ba ye ton ade na amembo we de ye papa Jimmy de omu aban ni na NDC na minya ka arisha furo mu nyina the whole government ya arisha from Mahama to the end ya arisha furo mu nyina
eso sise bi mu so abomodin pa abugina po ni petroleum guy o lawyer Edwaji ani obi se sami jemfi ato forcing nkofo bi wo ho a ye be so mampani so onko so maintain omo no mo so omu yi omu mfimi de me ma family a nka Richard for the say can first one yes am George and the man penu kwa mam letter me amebo ne din papa obai ene okai enema bebre okai me anka say me gina he enema bebre Sam George kan a ye di ohito body na chi a obai a enema bebre me boso che ono anim ne ho me wati wo hu me what ya say enema bebre
this is ne de yes what me sisa ne education minister the Juma de enso ni kra ana road minister was a walk to coin efa bi say Accra road na hwe construction akese no mo ye ni nyina jegu obie ni wa enkoso onya wo hwe amasama road na hu so mo ye adwuma Accra but ifre nyinam ba pass wa to mo akosi enyire si wo ni nyina na osi no de ni nyina mo jegu wo hu adwuma bi o mo ye biem to ono so na se mo sesa no ana health minister because onipo timitra TV so eka say wono befa health service a de bia nkwala ekɔ school ba nanso so no wo so befa health service fo mama ya dwuma agisika wo betime twa omka aso mo fa na rest no mo kɔ adwuma ben eno so ye problem to ono so se wosesa no
first minister no owo adwuma ye because ye league no kra no is ya say enema nkoyi nti ama ye league no kra nshada into me performing say ye call outside Ghana and I think say sports minister no so oye na juma ya na se sesa na de foforo ba na ye hwe ono so na ho ode
me to ade e bia 10 cedis a na se sia no eye
e bia ntumu
beba it should be about 10 points 30 pesos
10 pesos
it should be about 10 pesos it shouldn't be just e be cut 12 cedis 2
years ago na me turn 8 cedis na me turn 12 cedis meanwhile so no ye choma ye dollar ye cedi no
I am based on the analogy say the rate at which the near increase no say me 2024 23%. And no, if a near be increase, it's increasing at 23%. Which means say a bona also be count. I say a content term do.
I could tell you near my digina so me de to near mamu na ba form. What is the basis?
Basic thing.
Say I was idea where you tum petrol ye the lorry fare etwa de me bo akonta. Say the lorry fare etwa de. Because nipa ne say near no ye no. So kwa fa de kwa kogu ni shop odi gu kam. Car na odigu no car ni to petrol it was to petrol ni ato petrol mu a obeto lorry fame and then yento petrol mu yen esokrati
that's right
me boa it is a me top pure water 8 cedis 2 years ago and a year ago necessary time na inflation wan ye top petrol 14 cedis a liter and then petrol nam ebia 13 and 12 na inflation am 23% na dollar nam 15 cedis any ade na me to enokra no na me to pure water bag ba ko 8 cedis na se nyame ya dom dollar na free 14 cedis
na
15 cedis aba 11 petrol no ate
aba be 2 cedis a free
yes inflation no ate by 20%
point
na se still ye to pure water ni ma ko 12 cedis ya what is the basis amode to sade manum still na PURC for ebe catch say ECG and Ghana Water Company Limited say yanto water bill mo yanto light bill mo what is the basis mujina so e dey increase light bill and water bill because ECG ne Ghana Water Company Limited at the dollar any inflation rate any policy rate interest rate na mudi gina so ni wansa ni amani ngina ba form it is also for no busa this question well musana out of ignorance
yes that's why I want to
legitimate question
to ask out of ignorance
me pacho man kasa he ask out of me say he needs to be educated me say I didn't use the word say ignorance me say man kasa me on my dia me can say me say my men some na papa na some na can that's what both people have been saying and it's up to the government to explain things to them
your word was ignorance. They are speaking out of ignorance. That was your word.
On my ignorance. I mean, okay. So me, me kind. Oh, me ba. Me kind ni say. Asam na okano. Interest enema bo enkosru.
But the
tie je okano want to order my panic can say. Was it a body? Was it a penny? Was it pure water? A costro. And I mean, because inflation above for ma, and can the rate at what things will be increasing, you know. The empanifono minimum woman, a pencil, commission. I catch and say, and can back cost like a Caribbean. It has also done a train, Abianca, inflation, and Caribbean yet 3 cities in the Quebec count. Son or more can say the rate at which things will be increasing, no, a better form. What you say?
Inflation.
Oh my, Mrs. Sana, dear me, oh my car, me, and I two Amanda make her say, a buying, say what the inflation about this number, and now you soon say a base rate, a 16, advance of the or the above 14, me boy. I mean, come catch say a baby, or maybe a pretty and a single digit piano, or more base rate so a cost single digit, me boy. And now. Say about me can say petrol about for me. About no, you trying to put all these things down.
So why na man in cost?
What yes? About to me so who now go for what there? What you say? And I know some money can say Pulican ayaba abama and your man na from oh until the making. Me say so what they buy be all spoke against say I was so no mushia. I'm no mushia but nanka we my no. The phone chim so moko a penny say a port wa nene man from kaka yes I no kan yes but this can yama bono eba from but you must say was a public and a crime my no omoko fan man ba omo this one abanu create another environment
but say individual entity near so aban ketimi petrol ensi so is right obusa aban obusa me no wie no
so at the end of
what I say
the pastor is asking say
he's also asking a legitimate idea
adentina sa niema we nyina wie no aban na ye ne de wie na say bonten so for no nyen de wie so the government should just sit down and allow it to say inflation be about 0.5
yes
na so and they were not 2 years ago, ni boy 8 cities, no, because the inflationary rate, no, the rate at which a Nema increases.
Yes.
If a year 8 cities, the inflationary rate of 3.2%, I'm expecting about 8 cities, 50 pesos.
Ah, but 50 pesos, 30 pesos,
now,
20
now
pesos.
it is 12 cities, which means on the basis of
yes.
made it to the inflationary rate on the pure water, about 25%.
Yes.
And as I told you the mission, so 8 cities.
Yes.
Now inflationary rate at 3.2. Now if I could do 12, the inflationary rate, no. Me want to say the increment, no, which things are increasing, no. I about 27 or 28%. Yes. It does not reflect the 3.2.
Exactly.
And notice there will be inflation about 3.2. I just say the inflation about 3.2. There was a David. There was a money increasing.
Yes.
But at a decreasing rate, which is 3.2.
Yes.
But they are too just so no. About 25%.
Yeah.
So people ask, what is the problem?
Single digit.
Yes. Inflation about third single digit from 9 from last year. It has been consistent for almost 6 to 8 months. So we should see, say, Adia Erezia.
Yeah.
It will cry insignificant.
Insignificant.
It should be like 8 cities 10 pesos. 8 cities 20 pesos. When you free 8 are copying 12. 4 cities. Ah, come on.
He's
Mama wale no kura no wo yire woni ne ye no wa ye ni ye awado kwa ye tumi ti wutum cause ye say has to be kana. Senya front door na wo pe ba bi fufuro bi akofa ye tumi ti wutum ye mra no wo hodada. Nanso yetena ho ma akoa bi a wa sese bi o sebe sogum boto a ensu ato aguso eye na bet say shoulder pad ya de kwa he can tata show. You know this LGBT thing, you know, and like the president is complicit. I can tell you on authority the president is complicit. Make ensure you so many for make prampram for the ensure the year ko obi fresh am ma yen and na kocha prampram and mama sabi ya niama ni na abolowe and ensure the year ko sa kwase ni tumi set tie na onu abegina wo etintim sabi awrade nyankopon na bo no de mu behu say nya den ya omo ntena ba mu forever. Police na edi na chi no one day be free Sam George de mi omo free ba bia me bo no say we ya mema me nu ne yechia na ye de me bo na papa na no ni na because our boy no this boy President Mahama any Andrew Solomon no mo kodam paso unim de obeka aye de na Mahama e ka no se mu wi afia enne yetumi aya ma ya dada ye ni na me na ya sofo ne ye himfu di na NDC fu adada mo Ebra Mahama be di ade first no turumu asem ye ba yo e ba ye na die na sambol ka he sambol e die na o ka he o say Enkrofo face day to day, you know, the obi no obi ya wadam the family ho ben that was Sam George. And net to me as Sam George ne ono na ban paintino. Ya be that will say Sam George na de be obi ba e be kire say oba ne oba ntumi nna e na be ma ne be ma ntumi nna e ya de wo ho dada o emra ne say untumi. There Sam George I can say yemia mu na instead of 6 months ya be kwa akodem no yenye ni 3 years. Ma me papa wutie me de enti a yentumi ansan sa bill ne say enkwasiafo we di koche mu say miti we na madam for Freddy Hennessy eye nkrofo ni bia na me ma me kan tra ban say akwa we ya madam for na yedi ni turu mu a esese me so mo che me ka ho ewo bill na mo de call yi mu. That is one of the things that people didn't agree with. Sorry. bill na ekwa na omo ye ne de nti a ankwa na omo de koto court no na me tire mu nne no for some of you amunim no one of the main clause we woman say me akwasi apia me te compound house ye nipa 17 and ye te compound house me nim de asabi sister agi oye woni dem na yakwachi agi say agi ni oba na eda yes ye ya te fie ho ni na ye te obi nti ye nim say agi ni oba na eda na ya mekanti ye so ye ntaade ye nka ho e ma yes e de